Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. It really helps us grow and bring you more insights from the industrial world. Let's get started. Have you ever looked at a tiny ant and thought, I wonder what it really looks like up close? Like, not just what your eyes can see, but all the little details. Its tiny hairs, its weird little eyes, even the texture of its legs. That's the kind of curiosity a microscope helps with. It's basically like giving your eyes superpowers. A microscope lets you see stuff that's way too small to spot normally. Imagine taking a drop of pond water. It looks clear, right? But if you put that under a microscope, it turns into this whole tiny world full of weird little creatures swimming around, almost like a sci-fi movie happening on a droplet. It's wild. The way it works is kind of like zooming in with your phone camera, but way more powerful. You put something small, like a hair, or a leaf, or even a bit of onion skin on a glass slide. And then the microscope uses lenses, kind of like magnifying glasses stacked together, to make it look much bigger. What's really cool is that microscopes are used for so many things. Doctors use them to check your blood. Scientists use them to study germs and cells. Even crime labs use them to look at evidence. But at its heart, a microscope is just a way to see things better, things that are already there, just hiding in plain sight because they're so small. It's kind of like unlocking a secret world with just your eyes. Liked how simple and stress-free that was? Then you'll probably enjoy our earlier video on inductively coupled plasma too. We explained it in the same clear, down-to-earth way, easy to follow, and surprisingly fun. Check it out. You might learn something new without even trying.